Macho Bibo, pwede po ba mag-take ng mga supplements? Anong kailangan gawin kung mag-take kami ng supplements before and after the gym? Okay guys, mga gusto mag-supplement, you need to ask your doctor first, no? Your physician, okay? Para safe tayo. You need an advice to a licensed doctor before you take any supplements. Huwag basta-bastang gumamit ng supplements na hindi nyo alam kung paano gagawin ito. Ilang dosage, kailan inumin, okay, paano inumin. Alright, so dapat you ask your doctor first before using any supplements. Yung mga supplements po, kagaya ng mga whey, amino, okay, so nakaka-boost ng ating katawan, okay. Before taking that, you ask permission first to your doctor. So yan po ang tips ko sa inyo before taking any supplements during workout and after workout.